In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make map animation using Canva. Map animations can really elevate your presentations, and Canva offers a straightforward way to create them. Whether you're showcasing global data or simply adding a visual flair to your content, we'll go step by step through the process right here. So let's start off by opening Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a fantastic online design tool that offers an array of templates and elements to craft visual content easily. Once you're logged in, or if you're just starting out and have created an account, the next thing you need to do is create a new design. In this case, select the video option. This will provide you with a canvas suited for video files, which is exactly what we need for creating your map animation. Now that you have your canvas ready, our next step involves searching for the right kind of map. Head over to either the Photos or Elements section in Canva's side panel and enter search terms like World Map or City Map. This will bring up a selection of maps you may want to incorporate into your project. There are numerous styles available, so consider what will fit best with your overall theme or presentation. After browsing through your options, choose a map that has a flat or minimal design. These styles tend to look cleaner and are generally more versatile in animations. Once you have your map in place, it's time to add some movement to it. This is where we bring the map to life. Locate and select any elements within your design that you want to animate. Up at the top of the interface, you'll see an Animate button. Click on that, and you will be presented with a variety of animation effects. Explore these effects and choose what best complements your map. The goal is to create subtle, engaging movements that draw attention, but don't overwhelm the viewer. Continue playing around with these animations until you're fully satisfied with how it looks. Once everything falls into place, and your animation is precisely how you envisioned it, it's time to share your creation with the world. Head over to the top right corner of the Canva interface, click on Share, and then select Download. Be sure to download your piece as an MP4 file. And there you have it, a simple yet effective map animation created using Canva, ready to be featured in your next project. Thanks for following along, and I hope this adds a dynamic touch to your designs. Don't forget to explore the other features Canva offers, which can be great for refining and enhancing your animated projects even further.